Hey guys, it's Tiffany. I'm in the KESS booth at New York Toy Fair. KESS always delivers with fun, tactile play that gets you moving and mesmerized with their bright colors, sparkles, and lights. Available in stores now and perfect to fill those Easter baskets are the ice balls, perfect bouncy balls for toddlers to teens. Inside, there is a sparkly liquid that is just mesmerizing to watch. Next up is Ice Hopper. Not only does it count your skips, but you've got the same liquid sparkle in the weighted ball. This is a great toy for outdoor play and gets players young and old moving. Looks like a lot of fun. Newly designed packaging for the widely popular KESS ice hoops will mesmerize you just by its unique design. They snap together to make the perfect hoop and then light up while you hula hoop. The Cuties Jumprope have new handles that are squishy, so you get that sensory squish fulfilled and you're exercising too. They come in fun varieties too, like ice cream and unicorns. Designer hoops have a unique feel to them and a unique look. You have this fancy mesh overlay giving your hoop lots of flair. I love Drop Dots, and now they're coming out with Floatable Friends. The Floatable Friends really float and come in cute rubber ducky styles with that fun tactile Drop Dots feel. These are perfect stocking stuffers for little ones. And what I'm squeezing here are splash bombs. You drop them in the water and the splash bomb soaks up the water, and then you squeeze out the water for added fun in the water. I don't think I said water enough. Perfect summer toys though. Spin Jacks is a game of jacks with a KESS twist. Instead of hard metal jacks, it's a twisty jack with a Drop Dots ball. Dot Dots Love Ems will have some cuties being added to the line, but more on that when I'm allowed to say. You are clearly going to love them. Let me know your favorite in the comments below. Don't forget to like, follow, subscribe, do what you do best, and thank you so much to KESS for the great tour. Looking forward to all of the great new things by KESS.